When I teach my students, I often think, what is the ultimate objective? And I don't just want my students to become great brand managers or data analytics people or advertisers. I think it's just one step towards a very important journey. One of the things that I always think about my students, for example, is that I want them to become the leaders of tomorrow. So marketing is just the beginning of it. It's just what gets you, if you want, your foot in the door. But eventually, I would love my students to go on to become drivers of change, and in particular, drivers of positive change in the world. Think about, for example, the potential that marketing has to help companies develop products that are more efficient, more effective, more sustainable, more environmentally friendly, more socially conscious, for example. All of these are benefits that marketing can have in terms of developing things that are simply better for the world. Marketing is also a source of entertainment and fun, whether it's in the creative arts or whether it is in products and services that entertain us on our mobile phones or on social media, etc. The power that marketing has to just simply entertain and to be as a source of enjoyment of life for people is extraordinary. And of course, let's not forget that it can also be a force for good by helping companies promote products and services that are socially conscious, that are sustainable, for example, or by helping charities obtain donations from people that otherwise wouldn't have heard of them. We want to inspire brilliant minds to become not just passengers along a journey, but drivers. If marketing can help students begin on that journey, and that would be an extraordinary achievement. I'm Dr. Omar Merlo. Thank you for joining me on this first lecture on marketing strategy.